How's it going, everyone? Thanks for stopping by. For those of you that don't know, my name is Michael. I am the owner of 15 Cent Pressure Washing. I'm going to walk you guys around my job I got going today. It's in Columbia, Tennessee. We got a roof to wash, patio, the house, and the front sidewalk. I'm going to do a walk around, show you guys what we got going on before we start cleaning. And then after I'm done cleaning, I'll do another walk around and let you guys see what it looks like afterwards. All right, y'all, we're gonna start at this corner of the house and make our way around. So we're gonna do the front sidewalk. You can see how it's accumulated a good bit of mold. We're going to pre-treat it, and then after pre-treating we'll come through and surface clean it. We're also going to do the roof. You can see there's quite a bit of Culleoka magma up there. Look at that there. We're going to have some awesome before and after pictures, you guys. You know, a lot of times with doing roofs that are this bad, you can see how deep it is through there. You know, once we get done cleaning, there's possibly still going to be some brown spots. And that's the dead Culleoka magma. Whenever it rains, it's going to start to wash that stuff out. And we're also going to do the house. You can see there's quite a bit of mold down through there. We're going to do the whole entire front roof. We're also going to do the back roof as well, and the side over the garage, which is the south side. The side here that I just showed you guys, right over there, that is the north side of the home. The north side of the home is usually the worst side. Mold loves to build up there. Look at that roof, man. We have a major difference when we get done with it. And from the roof, we're gonna do the patio. They didn't want to do the driveway. The patio is not that bad, luckily. But yeah. All right, y'all, now that we did our walkthrough, let's get to the fun part. Let's start cleaning. I will be back. Guys, finally got everything cleaned. I did have a delay. It rained. I knew it was gonna rain, but it was not supposed to rain as bad as it did. But you know, you can't believe the news. A lot of times you can't even believe the darn radar, right? But it was only supposed to rain for like 45 minutes. It rained for like an hour and a half. I've put SH on the back of the roof, started cleaning it, and I'm like, no, my SH is gonna wash off. But luckily it sat long enough. It killed all the Culleoka magma, and it cleaned up really good, man. Let's do our walkthrough, our after walkthrough, and y'all can see the results for our roof washing service in Columbia, sidewalk cleaning service out of Columbia, patio cleaning service out of Columbia, and our house washing service out of Columbia. Don't forget, we also serve surrounding areas. Are y'all ready for some results? I'm ready. I'm excited, and I've been doing this for years. Are y'all ready? All right, let's get to it. Look at that sidewalk, man. That's amazing. Like, it looked like this. It had all this black mold in it. Look at it now. Complete different color, man. It looks new. Yep, so there's the sidewalk. All right, are you guys ready for the roof? I can't get over it. I swear it looks like somebody put a brand new roof on here, man. Almost. It still has a little bit of cleaning to do when it rains, you know, to wash the dirt away. All right, let's check her out. Look at that, man. Y'all remember this thing was black. It was black. Look at that. The dormers, all the siding had mold on it. Dormers had Culleoka magma, black streaks all over the roof. Look at that roof, man. It's amazing. Looks brand new. Look at that there. Cleaned up good. Cleaned up good. Every time I do a roof, I can't get over it. I'm like, because it's just so, looks so bad. It's black, it's big. It's just like, ugh, you know? And then you clean it, looks brand new again. I love it. I love cleaning roofs. I love actually doing it, man. I love doing all this. Pressure washing services out of Columbia, Tennessee and surrounding areas. That's what I do. I love it, right? All right, are y'all ready to check out the back roof? It's crazy. Are y'all ready? Here we go. Boom. Look at that. You would think a roofing company came out here, man. A little bit of brown through there. They'll wash away. Okay. This all looks like a roofing company installed new shingles. Over here, it will after it rains. Again, let's hope it doesn't rain anymore today. Look at that, you guys. House cleaned up really good. Remember, this thing was black. Look at that. It looks brand new, man. Oh, it's awesome. That's results right there. We will be getting out of here. So I want to know what you guys think about the before and after on this job, man. Leave the comments below. I think it's absolutely amazing. I love what I do, and I love what I'm able to do for people. You know, this homeowner saved a lot of money. They didn't have to put a new roof on, and believe it or not, I've had customers to where roofers have told them that they needed a new roof on their house, knowing they don't need a new roof, man. You know, Culleoka Magma Black Streaks is cleanable. Y'all seen it. It's real. It happens. Okay. So let me know what you guys think about the before cleaning and after cleaning. Please leave the comments below. I want to thank you guys for watching, man. You know, for those of you that have subscribed to my channel, I really do appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed and you like this video, subscribe. I'm gonna start doing a lot more before and after videos of our exterior cleaning services in Columbia, Tennessee and surrounding areas. Now, I don't think I'm crazy whenever I keep saying my services a lot. It helps out with the algorithm and stuff like that, and helps new customers find us so we can supply them with new roofs without a new roof, right? Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, man, and until next time, wash on.